Everybody, Dustin from Supercar Sunday. As you all know, I'm doing an LS swap on my Camaro, my 69. So this engine's got to go. 540, made it to a 4-speed McLeod twin RST clutch. March serpentine system, but got the billet stuff on there. I'm keeping the radiator and fans. You're getting basically the subframe, Viking coilovers, brakes, suspension, rear end, drive shaft, gas tank, ignition system, booster, almost everything to drop into a first-gen Camaro. A lot of great parts here. McLeod twin RST clutch, I don't know if I mentioned that. And this thing runs fast. Fast, mean, loud. So if you're doing a swap, you're looking for an engine transmission, let me know. I want to get rid of this. I'm going to keep it in the car for about 2 weeks and pull it out so you can come test it, see it, drive it, feel it, and drivetrain's got to go. Let me know. Out of rock aluminum heads. Really a nice setup. Let me know. It could be yours for your hot rod. Message me. Thanks.